got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
So first type of option for a slip knot is basically I hold my yarn like so. I have the shorter end away from me and the longer end facing towards me. And what I like to do is I insert my thumb upwards, I twist my thumb down, and then I put it in so like I'm able to pinch. And when I do that, you're able to just grab the shorter end, pull it up like so, insert your hook and let it get on the hook better, like so. So as I said, first way, you have your shorter end away from you, your longer end towards you, you twist downward, and then I insert my fingers so that they're able to pinch. And honestly, it kind of reminds you of like a ribbon per se, or like a broken infinity sign. So you're just gonna pinch the shorter end. And then once you attach your hook, you just pull and it becomes tighter. Another method that you're able to do is I put the yarn between my middle finger and my my middle finger and my index finger, sorry. And you're gonna wrap the yarn between and you're gonna crisscross them. And then I just like let my pinky hold the other way. So when you insert your hook, first of all, you're looking at an X. So you're gonna insert your hook facing upward and then you're gonna pull it downward. And when you pull it downward, you're just gonna let it basically take it off and pull and tighten. So I'll show you guys that again. You're gonna put the yarn like so over these 3 fingers. You're gonna crisscross them over 2 and make an X. And honestly, if you just feel comfortable with like pulling it through like that, you could, just so your pinky has something to hold on to. Then you're gonna insert the hook facing up and it's gonna go under and then on top of the second one. And then you're just gonna pull the second hoop and you're gonna pull and tighten. So those are the 2 ways that I usually do. Completely optional, but I feel like the other way is easier. The other way, another way of showing you guys this basically is to crisscross them like so. And then you're gonna take the circle and pull it over the other part. Kind of looks like a pretzel at this point. Insert your hook and pull up. But honestly, you wanna be careful not so you have that much extra yarn. So you're gonna crisscross it. It looks like a ribbon. Then you're gonna take the circle and pull it over on top of the longer end. Insert your hook below, hold it and pull up. And then you're just gonna switch it so that the longer end you're able to hold. Now with doing a chain stitch, if you're a righty, I got you. If you're a lefty, I'm sorry. I'm not a left-hander, but it's the same concept, just swap hands per se. So the way I hold my yarn is I put my index finger here and then I pull the yarn between my 2 middle finger and my ring finger, and then I close it out with my pinky so that my pinky can control my tension. Then I use my middle finger and my thumb to hold the chain in place. You're gonna wanna hold this in place so that your work's not twisting and turning different ways. When you're making your chain stitch, you're simply going to pull the yarn over top like shown, and then you're gonna pull the yarn down, and as you're pulling it through the hole, you wanna twist your hook downward. So there you have one. So I'll show that again for you guys. You're gonna have your hook, you're gonna pull it over, pull down, and as you're pulling down, you're gonna twist it through the hole. You don't wanna pull it this way. I don't think like, yeah, that's just complicated. Always remember to pull it towards you, not away from you. So don't pull it away from you, pull it towards you. So I pull it towards me over top, and you're gonna pull downward and you're gonna twist and pull through the hole. When you're also doing your chain stitch, you don't want to be super tight, because if you're super tight, like it just, when you're tight like that, it makes it harder. And when you end up going back to work your stitches, you'll have complications. So remember, when you're doing this, you want to be relaxed. And you just simply go with it over top towards me, pull down and pull through the hole. So I'll do that again. Over top, towards me, twist down and pull through the hole. And that's how you make a chain stitch. So that's gonna be your first lesson. I highly encourage everybody to continuously practice this. This is like the most important thing, this and the slip knot. Without the slip knot and the chain stitch, you basically cannot create a project. So just practice that, pull towards you, twist, pull down through the hole, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.